Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about what is mean by predictive analytics and how the predictive analytics are used in and why it is important in predictive analytics. So let us start with the definition of predictive analytics. So what is mean by predictive analytics is it is going to identify the future trends, that is it may be of future patterns from the past and present data. So what is mean by past and present data? So without analyzing the past and present data, we can't able to predict the future data. So that's why we are going to collect the data from past and present. At present also it is important because in the past analysis the data may be fitted into the one category. At present the same data may be fitted into the another category. So these two are different. So without analyzing the past and present data, we can't able to predict the future data. That's why I have tell the definition as it going to predict the future data based on past and present data. So whether it predicts only the data, no. So it is going to analyze the what are the patterns, what are the maybe sources, and what are the hidden patterns also we can identify from the predictive analytics. This is the definitions for predictive analytics. So whether the tools are primarily used, yes, we have to use the tool called R programming to analyze the data. Whether the R programming is enough to use, so for analyzing I have chosen the program as R program. We can use any kind of tools for predicting the future one. So I am taken as R programming is the tool which is going to predict. I have used the R programming for the analysis. This is the definition of predictive analytics. Okay, so why it is important? Whether it is important, predictive analytics is much more important. Yes. So why? So I have tell the 2 to 3 examples. So first one will be of informative decision making. How the informative decision making is means by comparing the future trends and outcomes in the business environment or it may be of organization side, we can make more strategic decision from the past and present analysis. So we can able to predict the customer services, maybe when the customer going to stop this kind of services. So we are going to predict based on the past data. So this is the one feature why it is important. Second one will be of risk management. So in the predictive analytics, which is going to helps to identify the powerful patterns and the potential risk in the data set. So for example, if we can take as the financial institutions, it's going to deduct the fraudulent transaction. Maybe some transactions may be fraudulent, while we provide we can take as one more example as so healthcare provides healthcare industries. In the healthcare industry, we can predict the spread of diseases percentage also possible. This is the second reason why the predictive analytics is important. So third one will be of optimization and efficiency. So how the optimization and efficiency is improvised in by using the predictive analytics. So the predictive models can optimize and uses the resources allocation system also. So it going to predict the business demand, what kind of product it going to demand in this month, and how it going to overcome the demand ratio. So this is the predictions level. So it can also predict the equipment maintenance and how it is going to avoid the interruption also. This is the main feature of predictive analytics. And the fourth one will be of innovation and competitive advantages, how the innovations grows. So the predictive analytics empowers organizations to identify what are the new opportunities and what are how we are going to develop the innovation products and services to the customer. So this is the main reason. So without understanding the customer needs and what is the current trend it covers in the marketing, without these analysis we can't able to predict the future one. So that is the innovation competitive advantages is the main reason for going to predictive analytics. These four alone is the main reason. The final one, that is the personalized experience. So the predictive analytics allows for personalization and customization also. So in the retailers we can use the recommended product to the customers based on their past purchases and the browsing behavior details also. So in some cases we may reach through the phone call that what are the items we have purchased, that is the items relevant items purchased in the past. So based on these analysis also we can predict our buying behavior. So what we have discussed in this video is what is the definitions of predictive analytics, and why we need to go for predictive analytics, why it is more important. So in my next video we will discuss about what are the applications of predictive analytics. Thank you.